Properties of triangles, part 8.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, I will discuss new concept. So, see our first one. In triangle ABC, prove that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equals to 1 by R. So, you need to prove this formula. So, see the proof of the first formula. So, consider the LHS first. So, what is LHS? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So, you know that R1 and R2 and R3 formulas. So, what are the formulas? 1 by what is R1? Delta by S minus C plus 1 by what is R2? Delta by S minus B and plus 1 by R3. So, R3 is what? Delta by S minus C. So, clear this is what? S minus A by delta plus S minus B by delta plus S minus C by delta. So, clearly denominators are equal. We have to add the numerators. So, what you get? S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C divided by delta. So, this is what? S plus S plus S. 3S minus of A plus B plus C divided by 10. So, therefore, this is what? 3S minus A plus B plus C. This is the perimeter of the triangle. So, clearly this is equals to 2S by delta. So, what you get? 3S minus 2S. S by delta. So, what is S by delta? This is 1 by R. So, therefore, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 formula is what? 1 by R. So, see the second formula. So, again consider the LHS. So, what is that? R into R1 into R2 into R3. So, you know that small r, that formula is delta by S. And what is small r1? Delta by S minus C. And small r2? Delta by S minus B. And delta by S minus C. So, clearly numerator is what? Delta power 4 divided by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So, here you know that S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is what? Delta square. So, what you get? Delta square. So, therefore, delta square formula is what? R into R1 into R2 into R3. Okay. So, based on these two formulas, we have 7 marks problems that are very, very important problems. So, now we will discuss few 7 marks problems. So, see the first one. If A equals 13, B is 14 and C is 15, then show that capital R, small r, R1, R2 and R3 values. Okay. So, see here. First, given small a is equal to 13, B is equals to 14 and C is equals to 15. Now, you need to show capital R value. So, what is capital R? That is ABC by 4 delta. Here you know the values of ABC, but you don't know the value of delta. Okay. So, first you need to find delta. Okay. So, before that, you need to find the perimeter of the triangle. That is A plus B plus C is equals to what? 2S. So, here 2S is equal to sum of these three. So, 13 plus 14 plus 15. Okay. So, 2S is equals to 42. From this, S is equals to 21. So, S value is 21. So, what is S minus A value? 21 minus 13. That is 8. S minus B value, that is 7. And S minus C value, 6. So, therefore, you know that delta, that is area of the triangle formula. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So, what is S value? 21. S minus C, 8. S minus B, 7. S minus C, 6. Okay. So here this can be written as square root of 7 into 3, and this one 4 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 2. So here 7 7, you will get 1 7, here 3 and 2 and 2. Okay. So clearly delta is equals to 84. Okay. Now first one, capital R is equals to what? ABC by 4 delta. So what is A value? 13 into 14 into 15 divided by 4 delta, 4 into 84. So this is 14 1 ja, 14 6 ja. Okay. So 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. So clear, this is 65 by 8. Okay. Next one, small r. Small r is equals to what? Delta by s. Delta is 84 and s is 21. We'll get 4. And small r1, delta by s minus a, that is 84 divided by s minus a value 8. Okay. So this is 21 by 2. And find a small r2. So you know that small r2 formula, that is delta by s minus b. So delta is 84 and what is s minus b value? 7. Okay. So here this value is 2 by. And find small r3. So you know that small r3 formula, delta by s minus c. Delta is 84 and s minus c value is 6. So clear, this value is 40. Okay. So these are the required values of capital R, small r, r1, r2 and r3. So see the second problem. We are given r1, r2, r3 and r. Then prove that small a, small b, small c values are 3, 4, 5. So given r1 is equals to 2, r2 is equal to 3, r3 is equal to 6 and r is equals to 1. Okay. You need to find a, b, c values. Okay. So see here, you know that. So what is delta square formula? That is r into r1 into r2 into r3. Okay. So what is delta square? R value 1 into r1, 2 into r2, 3 into r3, 6. So clear, delta is equal to how much? Square root of 36, that is 6. Okay. Now see here, you know that small r is equal to what? Delta by s. Small r value is 1. So 1 is equal to delta value 6 by s. From this s is equal to 6. So you know the values of delta and s. So using these two values we can find a, b, c values. So how to find? See here. You know that r1 is equal to what? Delta by s minus a. You know that r1 value 2, delta value 6 by s minus a, 6 minus a. So 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So 6 minus a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3. Okay. So next r2 formula, that is delta by s minus b. So r2 is given 3 and delta is 6. S minus b, that is 6 minus b. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So 6 minus b is equal to 2. From this b is equal to how much? 4. Okay. So next one, small r3, that is delta by s minus c. So r3 is given, it is 6 is equal to 6 by 6 minus c. 6 1 ja, 6. Here 6 minus c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 5. So these are the values of a, b and c. So see the third one. In triangle ABC, if r1, r2, r3 is given, Then find small a, b and c. In previous problem, small are also given, but here not given. So that is the difference between previous and this problem. So see here. So first we need to find small r. So what is the relation between small r, r1, r2 and r3? See here. First given r1 is equals to 8, r2 is equals to 12, r3 is equals to 24. So using these three values you can find small r. So clearly there is a relation between r, r1, r2, r3. So what is that? 1 by r is equals to what? 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. So this is 1 by r1, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. So simplify this. So what is the LCM? 24. So here 3, 12, 2 is 24, 1. So 6 by 24. So clear this is 1 by 4. So 1 by r is equals to 1 by 4. Therefore small r value is 4. Okay. So clearly you know the values of small r, r1, r2 and r3. Okay. So here first you need to find delta. How to find? So using delta square formula, that is r, r1, r2, r3. So this is delta square is equal to r is 4, r1 8, r2 12, r3 24. So this can be written as, so 4 into 8, next 12 can be written as 3 into 4, next 24 can be written as 8 into 3. So this is delta square. Therefore delta is equal to how much? 8, next 4 into 3. So delta is equal to 96. Okay. Now see here. You need to find S value. So how to find? Using the formula small r, that is delta by S. Small r value is 4. So 4 is equal to delta value 96 divided by S. So 4 1 is 4, 2 is and 4 4 is. So clearly S is equal to 24. So using delta and S and R1, R2, R3, you can find small a, B and C values. So see here, R1 is equal to what? Delta by S minus C. R1 value 8, delta 96, S minus A 24 minus A. So 8 1 job 8 12. So clearly 24 minus A is equal to 12. From this A value is 12. So similarly, you know that R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. So here given R2 value is 12. And you know the delta value 96. And you know the S value 24. Minus B. 12 1 is 12 8. So this is 24 minus B is equal to 8. So clearly B is equal to how much? 16. R3, that is delta by S minus C. So R3 is given 24 and delta 96. S 24 minus C. 24 minus 24 4. So 24 minus C is equal to 4. So C value is 20. So these are the values of A, B and C. So for next session we will discuss more problems.